Alright, let's open Pokemon pack. I see a lot of them this year. I have a Dollar General. I have lots of Dollar General pack, a McDonald's Happy Meal pack, Astral Radiance pack, Dollar General 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 pack, a Pokemon Go 10, a Sun and the Moon Elite Trainer box, and the 2 booster pack. Oh, don't ever tell me how I fit all of them. Okay, let's start pulling. Let's start with the Dollar General pack. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got a shiny Taffel. Good. I have 2 packs. That's cool. Alright. Oh, Carolee, really good card. Winkling Path and Koga's Trap, good card for the second pack. We have a Sandal, which I have its evolution, so I can finally use it. Oddish and the Energy. Okay. Now let's continue with the next one. Ugh. Okay, this one's kind of weird since it's kind of stink. Alright, so we have oh my gosh, Cannonball. Now let's see the booster pack. Let's hope I can actually pull some really good card from it. I got Ghosty, which is really good since it's close to Halloween now. We have Qualcania, Mystical, and a Therapy. Keep going, let's start a General pack. Oh my gosh. I got Dewbeer, okay? Let's see the packs. I'm really excited for the packs. We have a Cottony, a Wendolit, and a Grass Energy, okay? And we have another pack. Oh, I feel I can really pull a really good card this time. Oddish, good. Wimple, which is good. And Professor Oak, nice. And more Dollar General pack. Oh my gosh. I have a good feeling that I'm going to pull a really good card this time. Keep more good. One pack. Here it comes. Caroline. Digby. I love fairy type. And the fairy energy. And for the last booster pack. Alright, 2 more. Alola Phoenix, good card. Oh, we have a Squirtle. I love the starting card. And we have an Arbok and a Cavani. And for the final Dollar General booster pack, oh, please tell me I got a good card this time. We have Rohorn, a Rattata, and a Dust Island. Nice. I love Stadium card. And for the last booster pack, we have the McDonald's Happy Meal. We have the spinner, which I kind of love it. Have the rule book, the coin, and most important thing, a booster pack. That's made of paper, I think. I have the Taiwan Fluffy